Hello dear students, welcome back to SJ's English tutorial. Dear students, here is an important notice for you regarding CBSE board exams notification. This is new update regarding the changed pattern of the board exam. Now the board exam will be conducted in 2 terms. This is your teacher Sridevi Jain. Today I am going to give you all the details of the new update. Please watch the video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please do subscribe and support me. Let's see the details. Dear students, this academic session is divided into 2 terms, that is term 1 and term 2. Each term covers 50% of portions from each subject. The syllabus for the board examinations 21 and 22 will be rationalized. Dear children, this is about the term 1 examination. The board will organize term 1 examinations in a flexible schedule to be conducted between November and December 2021. And the question paper along with the marking scheme will be sent to schools by CBSE board. And the examination duration is 90 minutes and it is completely based on MCQs. 50% of the entire syllabus will be covered in this first term examination. Now let's see term 2 examination. The board will organize term 2 examinations in a flexible schedule would be conducted around March-April 2022. The question paper will be 2 hours duration based on different formats of questions. It contains the remaining 50% of the entire syllabus. In case the situation is not conducive for normal descriptive examination, a 90-minute MCQ based exam will be conducted at the end of the term 2 exam. Along with the term examinations, schools will conduct various activities throughout term 1 and term 2 for the internal assessment. Now let's see the methods of internal assessment. This is about internal assessment for 9th and 10th. Class 9th and 10th internal assessment throughout the year, irrespective of term 1 and 2, would include the following tests. There would be 3 periodic tests: student enrichment portfolio, practical work or speaking listening test activities, project works based on the subject. See, this is regarding internal assessment 11th and 12th. Class 11th and 12th internal assessment throughout the year, irrespective of term 1 and term 2, will be conducted. This would include the end of topic, unit tests, exploratory activities, practicals, projects, etc. Children, now let us see the mode of assessment. Schools would create a student profile for all assessment undertaken over the year and retain the evidences in digital format. The exams will be conducted under the supervision of the external center superintendents and observers appointed by CBSE. The responses of the students will be captured on OMR sheets, which after scanning may be directly uploaded at CBSE portal, or alternatively may be evaluated and marks obtained will be uploaded by school on the same day. Marks of the term 1 examination will contribute to the final overall score of the students. Marks of the term 2 examinations at school centers and theory marks will be distributed equally between the 2 exams. Dear students, board has fixed different modes of conducting term 1 and term 2 examinations as per different situations. See the first method. If the students are able to come to schools or centers for taking the exams, board would conduct the term 1 and term 2 examinations at schools or centers and the theory marks will be distributed equally between the 2 exams. There will be a second mode of conducting examinations if complete closure of schools in case of pandemic during November and December 2021. But term 2 exams are held at schools or centers. Term 1 MCQ based on examination would be done by students online or offline from home. The weightage of this exam for the final score would be reduced and weightage of term 2 will be increased for declaration of final results. Students, CBSE board has introduced mode 3 of conducting examinations in the case of Pandemic. If complete closure of schools in case of pandemic during March, April 2022, but term 1 exams are conducted at schools at centers, MCQ based examination. The weightage of marks of term 1 will be increased to provide year end results of the candidates. Is mode 4 of conducting examinations if complete closure of schools in case of pandemic and the board conducted term 1 term 2 exams are taken by the students from home in the session 2021 and 22. Results would be made on the basis of internal assessment. Theory marks of term 1 and term 2 exams taken by the students from home in class 10 and class 12 subject to the moderation or other measures to ensure validity and reliability of the assessment. Dear students, I hope this is very useful to you. Please plan your studies accordingly. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel English Made Easy with SJ's English Tutorial. I will come back to you with one more topic. Till then, bye bye.